Hi, my love. So, I remember that you asked me to record longer videos. So, this time I will try to record a longer video for you, my love. In this video, I will share to you what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I went to the hospital to get a document. So, I went there in the morning, and when I arrived there, I have to wait because it was not yet ready. So I sat down on a bench just outside the office. While I was waiting, a familiar face passed by. So I was not sure if it was her. And then for the second time, she passed by again. So I think it was my classmate, my former classmate in high school. So I said hi to her. I said hi. And then she looked at me and we started talking. So that's the time it was confirmed that it was indeed my classmate. So we talked a little. She told me that she's been working there in the hospital for 6 years already. I was happy to hear that from her, and I appreciate that actually because it's really amazing to hear someone who's been working for one company for such long years. For me, it's amazing, my love. And then she have to go and have her work, so I have to let her go and continue to wait for the document. So at that time, I was thinking because I have been admiring my former classmate that she have a good job. She have a job in that hospital. But then she seemed not happy. So I'm not sure. I don't know if it was something happened that's unrelated to her work, but one thing that I learned is it is important to be happy. It is important to have joy in God because sometimes people look at us, we don't know them, maybe they observe us, uh, they they will notice your your joy also. If you have joy, they will notice if you are happy or sad. So maybe I have been walking and someone saw me. I don't know, maybe I look sad or what. I think that it looks good on a person to be happy. It looks good on us to smile, to have joy, to be content, to be thankful, not only for other people, but for God as well. Because we know that God is watching us from above. So, no matter what happens, it is important to follow God's word, to obey Him. So, even if I feel hungry, I I think that it's always good for us to keep our joy in God, to have joy in God, to have joy in the Lord. So I think that this video is longer now than I used to record. So thank you for watching this video, my love.